Disabling two-factor authentication on Deliveroo can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Open the Deliveroo app. Launch the Deliveroo app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings by tapping on your profile icon or the menu option. Look for the Account or Settings section within the menu. Step 3. Find Security Settings. In the Account Settings, locate the Security or Privacy section. This is where you will find options related to two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Once in the Security Settings, look for the option labeled Two-factor Authentication or similar. Select this option and follow the prompts to disable it. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may be asked to confirm your decision. Follow any additional instructions to ensure the changes are saved. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Deliveroo account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Deliveroo support for assistance.